Expedition haben wir genannt Into the Unknown, also in die Ungewissheit.
We call this expedition Into the Unknown because we were unsure how these 16 days would evolve, and if we were persuaded well enough to be entirely independent and self-sustained for 16 days was a new logistical problem for us.
We didn't know a lot about it for a start. We tried to research as much as possible, and at the end of the day we were going to a part of the world that we didn't know a lot about.
Für diese 16 Tage hatten wir natürlich nur minimale.
We only brought minimal gear for these 16 days because the main part of our equipment was food. So we really limited our clothing, and it was interesting to see with how little you can get by.
Interessant zu sehen, mit wie wenig Kleidung man eigentlich auch auskommen kann.
We got into a similar sort of situation as we did in Greenland. We ended up in the middle of a snowstorm in Siberia. And of course we were prepared for the summer, but I guess at the end of the day we were lucky we had all our gear, which is pretty thick jackets and thick pants, so we managed to stay warm. We lit some fires and we bumped into some hunters out there who gave us some fresh deer meat that they'd just shot, and we got through. After 3 days we got through that snowstorm and the weather cleared.
Sibirien hatten wir uns überlegt, das Ganze mal anders anzugehen. Und zwar wollten wir uns
in Siberia, we wanted to do things differently, meaning we wanted to move solely unaided. Of course, we always paddled by our own strength, but this time we also wanted to move by foot to the respective rivers, and so we paddled the main river, Kayaking, and hiked up all the feeder rivers from their mouth as far as we could get, or considered reasonable.
Zu diesem Hauptfluss dann von der Mündung hochgelaufen, soweit wie wir es eigentlich konnten oder für sinnvoll erhalten haben.
A lot of the time, I mean, we're walking a marathon just to get into the rivers with our packs on our backs. We're limited by how much we can carry on our back. We make sure we don't take too much gear, and if it comes down to it, we're weighing everything and making sure that we split it up evenly amongst the whole group.
Well, the arduous hike does indeed pay off. Siberia turns out to be a true kayaking paradise.
Are you ready for the show? Because this time I intimate. I think I'll tell you stories about how good times and bad times went on. Do you wanna hear the truth? As far as I can estimate, I will not sing about lies and stories by violence and oh yeah. What about king and a super show? Because I want to know, what are you thinking? What are you thinking when I call you?
Uns hat auch sehr die Qualität des Wildwassers beeindruckt in Russland. Es waren einfach tolle.
We were really impressed on the whitewater quality in Russia. There were awesome rapids, perfectly shaped waterfalls, and so many manageable difficulties that we could paddle. For this reason, we'd really like to return to Siberia.
Wieder nach Sibirien reisen.